If you ask an AI tool, what's the best investigative journalism outlet covering climate change in Africa? And an outlet expert doesn't appear, it's not because they don't do great climate investigations. It's probably because the AI doesn't know they exist. This is 2026. Your audience are not only searching for news on Google search, they ask ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and others, and this changes everything for journalism. I'm Titi, and this is the final video in my series on AI skill every journalist needs in 2026. We've covered prompt literacy, hallucination detection, multimedia creation, retrieval augmented generation. Now is generative engine optimization or AI-aware distribution. By the end of this video, you understand how to make your reports or newsroom actually get seen in the age of AI-powered search. Before now, your investigations could exist online, rank well on Google, get shared on social media, which is called search engine optimization. But with AI-aware distribution and generative engine optimization, it structures your report so AI systems can clearly understand and reference it. And if you think this doesn't matter yet, students, researchers, and even journalists, even the public generally, are already using AI for research. If your work isn't showing up there, you're losing reach. Here is how to optimize your reports for AI. 1. Write clear, structured reports and stories. AI systems rely on structure to interpret and summarize stories accurately. Use clear headlines that state what the story is about, subheadings that break down sections, bullet points or numbered lists for key facts, and short paragraphs. 2. Front load key information. Don't bury your lead. State the most important facts early, ideally in the first 2 to 3 paragraphs. Why? Because AI systems often prioritize early sections when summarizing or retrieving information. 3. Add metadata and context. If you publish online, make sure your articles have descriptive meta descriptions, relevant tags and categories, author bios that establish expertise and publication dates. 4. Make your stories linkable and shareable. AI often references stories that's already cited by others, so share your work on platforms where it can be discussed: Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit. Encourage or share your reports with other journalists and researchers so they can reference them. Build backlinks through collaboration. It makes it more likely to surface in AI-assisted discovery. Let me show you a quick before and after. How a geo-unfriendly headline will read now that it is optimized for AI. Now AI knows what happened. Contract awarded without tender. Where? Lagos State. When? March 2024. How much? 2.3 billion naira. Why it matters? Violated procurement law. That is citable, retrievable, and gets surfaced. Right now, AI is citing whoever is clearest, most structured, and most accessible. And that's it. 5 skills journalists need in 2026: prompt literacy, hallucination detection, AI for multimedia creation, retrieval augmented generation, and generative engine optimization. And if this series helped you, please share it with a colleague. Please like this particular video, and let's make sure African journalism isn't left behind in 2026. See you in the next one.